Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to use Afterpay card in store. So let's get into the video. So if you want to use Afterpay card for your purchase, so what you can do is simply when you're at the store and when you check out, all you have to do is simply open up your Afterpay app and select the Pay with Afterpay card option. And you automatically be taken to your Afterpay card in your digital wallet, whether it's your Google Wallet or your Apple Pay wallet. So it will be taken down there, and then simply tap the Afterpay card to pay. So you just tap it and then make the payment, and you will be shown your payment schedule when your purchase is complete. So that's pretty much it. It's a pretty easy process. Just a few things to keep in mind. This only works for stores that support Afterpay. So make sure that the stores that you're visiting supports that you are purchasing, sorry, supports Afterpay and it's an authorized seller. So just keep that in mind. And that's pretty much it is. So hope this information is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.